Okay, so we found 3 of these at a yard sale, and they're kind of a masonite material, and my wife wondered why I would even want these. Kind of 60s. We're gonna redo this and we're gonna make it amazing. So we got some new art, and then, like I say, three of them. Here's the first one. I'm gonna cut this to fit, and then I'm going to paint the outside border first. Okay, so now we have to size our new print, and I've got this X-Acto knife, and we're gonna follow the top. Get that arch in. The sides are a little funny because I've got to take some off both sides to make this gap even. So instead of being able to cut down one side, we'll have to do 2. My bottle down here. Get that creased in pretty good. I'm going to take 1/8 of an inch off both sides and a nice steel ruler. Okay, so we got our cutout ready, and we're going to use something some of us are familiar with and some of us aren't. Mod Podge. We're going to take a small flat brush it's a really neat thing. It's kind of a glue and a finish all together. We're going to get that along the outside first. This has been around for years, available at your Hobby Lobby or other art store, art supply store. Alright, so we're all covered, and now we're going to press our paper in. I'm going to go down the center and push out from the center out to all the edges. Get the bubbles out. Now that we're pretty happy with that, we're gonna do a top coat. And I've noticed this poster paper is really taking up the Mod Podge, soaking it up. I also have a twist here to make this look more antique, and I've got some coffee here. And we're gonna discolor that just a touch with that coffee. Now it just looks like a kindergarten mess here right now, but when this dries, it's going to look like a unique antique. we're not done yet. I'd like to show you this plastic squeegee for the outer edge. Sometimes you're fighting that, and this works really good for that. Now while the hodgepodge is drying, we can move on with the rest of the frame, because this isn't exciting yet. We're not done here. We're going to take metallic pure gold by Folk Art, and these are available at your craft stores. And this particular, there's 3 or 4 good golds. This is the best one I like, the pure gold. There's Aztec gold, antique gold. We're gonna this black that we put on our frame is just a base. You don't have to be in a hurry here. And if you're not used to brushing, you can use a guard around the inside work if you want. But you can use a finger to help hold your brush straight as well. By using my finger, I can't go past what my back finger will allow. This will give you a nice throw edge. Now you can leave as much or little of the black that you want. You'll find if you want more gold look, you may want to do a second coat. Now if you want some blemishes in this, some distress, we're going to do a dabble technique. Here. Now I'm going to turn this around and I'm going to catch it up a bit. Alright, so now I'm going to put a little more gold on. I've got the brushed layer, but I'm going to finish it off with a stippling technique with a sponge. Dappling, whatever term you want. Try to spread it out. Don't be so thorough and solid. That's not what you're trying to get. You want to save some of the black underneath. That's the idea of the antiquing that we're doing. And when it dries, if you don't like it, you can do more. You can change it a bit. I'm liking this so far, but I'll know more after it dries. So you can see the Mod Podge starting to dry, and our figure is coming through more and more and more. So we're gonna give this probably an hour, and then we're gonna look at it again. Okay, we're finishing with fan brush, and we're going over the top of this a little bit because we're still looking too new, that white part of the paper. We want to antique that more. Now you want to go with the picture. And we're just trying to knock down that white a little bit more. Okay, and we're gonna let that dry overnight. Now there's another technique where you take your spray paint and you barely let it come out so you get some drips, dots. I want to get that as well here. Okay, so here's our 3 panels. I'm really happy the way they turned out. We're going to do a quick pan and get you a little closer to see how they look. Here's where they went in the master bedroom hallway. Alright, so folks, you know, if you like this content and you want to see more, share and like this video. And subscribe to our channel. You can follow us on Instagram at My Take on Home and Garden. As always, thanks for watching. We have another makeover under our belt, so we'll see you in the next video.